Wallpaper laying robot is mainly used for automatic wallpaper laying in interior decoration projects. The robot integrates wallpaper conveying, gluing, cutting, laying, and other functions, and can automatically drive along the planned path to achieve intelligent unmanned operation. The robot is equipped with a multi-fusion sensor system, which can adjust the body posture in real time to ensure the verticality and splicing accuracy of wallpaper laying and achieve high-quality wallpaper laying operations. This product offers high-precision, multi-sensor fusion and laser calibration technology can effectively ensure the accuracy of wallpaper paving. High-quality, constant force paving and uniform gluing technology can effectively avoid bubbles or hollows during wallpaper paving. Easy to operate, automatic navigation, automatic obstacle prevention, automatic paving, automatic edge cutting. High efficiency. The maximum comprehensive work efficiency of robot construction is about 3 times more than that of traditional workers. Safety, anti-collision protection, fault alarm, active and passive safety configuration are integrated to reduce safety hazards on the construction site. So transform tedious, time-consuming wall finishing into a seamless, high-speed operation with the wallpaper laying robot. Whether you're outfitting homes, hotels, or commercial spaces, the wallpaper laying robot gives you a competitive edge, boosting efficiency, quality, and profitability. Upgrade your workflow, impress your clients, and finish faster. The future of wall finishing is here, and it's automated. Step into the new era of construction excellence with the wallpaper laying robot.